Hi, my beauties. This is Jan from Perez Cosmetics. If your blusher is sitting too low, it could be aging your skin instantly. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt that something just isn't sitting right, even though you've applied your makeup the way you always have? Now, this is especially important for more mature skin because the face changes, the skin changes, and our makeup needs to change with it. Blusher is often the reason, because when it's applied incorrectly, it can make the face look older instead of fresher. But when it's applied correctly, blusher and bronzer can instantly give the face a healthy glow and take that dull grey look out of the skin. It's not about how much you use, it's about color, placement, and the condition of the skin. For many years, cooler blush tones were very popular, those mauves and soft pinks. But on mature skin, they can leave the complexion looking a little flat, even slightly sallow. What truly brings the face to life is warmth. Think of tones like soft salmon, gentle coral, warm rose, or even a touch of terracotta. These shades mimic a natural flush and restore vitality to the skin. As we mature, the face needs less structure and more softness. But even more important than color is placement. One of the biggest mistakes I see is applying blusher while smiling. It feels natural. But when the face relaxes, everything drops slightly, as it should. And the blusher ends up sitting too low and pulls the face down and ages the overall appearance. Instead, apply your blusher when the face is relaxed. Place it higher on the outer cheek and blend gently upwards. Always keep the edges soft. We never want to see where the blusher ends or begins. And apply sparingly. Take a small amount onto a clean brush and tap off the excess. Because with blusher, less is always more. Now let's talk about the skin. If the skin is dry, blusher won't melt into it. It will sit on the surface and highlight texture. So the skin must be well hydrated before you begin. And this is especially important for mature skin. When using mineral makeup, avoid formulas that contain talc, as talc can be drying on the skin. Be mindful with powders. Anything too dry or heavy will sit on the skin rather than blend into it. A good mineral makeup should work with the skin, not against it. So remember, choose warm tones like salmon, coral, and terracotta. Apply sparingly and tap off the excess. Never apply while smiling. Keep the placement lifted and soft. Hydrate the skin thoroughly first. And avoid drying ingredients like talc. Makeup should never compete with your face. It should simply enhance what is already there. Blusher and bronzer, when used correctly, bring life, warmth, and radiance back to the skin. Stay beautiful.